Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Bissell Power Shot Steam Cleaner. And always, thumbs up if you guys like the video, thumbs down if you guys don't like the video. Alright, now let's get into it. Come on. There we go. You don't trust these scissors to get the job done. Stupid pieces. There we go. You get out of my way. Alright. Oh, upside down. Here we go. Power shot. Got some power behind it. And here's the reverse side. Alright. Open this bad boy up. Oh. Got a little measuring cup in there. 6.6 ounce max. Be careful. Some attachments here. Oops, there's a little one right here. I guess it's a little, with the little sides, hard to reach pots, little small brushes. And here is another one, another brush head. This one's green. And this, what the heck is this? It looks like one for your couch or something. It has no brushes or anything on it. Just this large piece of plastic, little holes. So. But I'm seeing little parts, so something goes on here. Ah, here we go. Found the other piece. This is the other piece. And what's that? You put it in here like this. Let me get this. There we go. Put it in there like that. And it looks like this is a little squeegee. A rubber squeegee right here. There are no more parts that go on it, so this is it. I guess it's like for a little, it's cleaning windows or something, steam cleaning your windows, because it has a little squeegee on it. I got another brush head. This one's red. So far, that's 3. And another tip attachment here. This is, I guess this is for in corners and slots and stuff. See the holes on each side here. And here's another brush head, but this is a different design. I haven't seen the book yet, so forgive me guys if I don't know what each one is. When I see the book, I'll give them all their proper names. That way. Here's a little teeny one, another nozzle here. This is where the, I'm thinking these little nozzles are for hard to reach stains, to get them right into, aim right at the stain, get it out. Okay, and then we have a hose. This is a hose here. I guess for longer reaches. Here's the main unit. Here, you gotta push it to turn. Push to turn, guys. Okay, like that. And open it right up. That's it. Okay. And this is where our attachments go. The attachment, it's on. There we go. And it comes with a pretty long power cord too. So, pretty good size power cord. Now, let's see if I can find the paperwork so I know what's going on. Okay, warranty card. This is the instructions manual. Okay guys, now I'll know what each part is. Won't be any more confusion. Okay, let me see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Got every nozzle on here. I got the labels here. This one. I can get everything right now, guys. This one is the extension hose. That's what this one is. So show you the extension hose. Next, this one here is the flat scraping tool. Removing wallpaper, gum, and other extra sticky stuff, they say. Okay, so this one's for. And the other one, where did I put it? I put it on here already. No! Sorry about that, guys. I lost it. This is detail brush tool. That's what they call this one with the black bristles. This is detail brush tool. Okay? It's for scrubbing stubborn stains. Alright? What that one is. Now, let's get to the other one here. They call this the angle concentrator tool. Alright? That's the only thing that's the only information they give to get you. Angle concentrator tool. That's it. They don't do anything else. So you use whatever you want with that. Okay? And here we go. What is this here? The grout tool brush. This is for the grout. Scrubbing small cracks and crevices. Okay? And what else do we have? This one that I put together. It has window squeegee on it. It's also for fabric steaming. Okay. So it's all those two things. You can use it for fabric steaming and window cleaning. You have to take off the squeegee for fabric steaming. Okay. And then this one I have on the steamer is the accessory nozzle. That's what that one is. And that's all the parts, guys. Got all the parts. Their name for each part. Okay? Now I hope that was helpful for you guys. And thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever one you prefer on this video. Alright, and as always, I thank you guys for watching my video. Okay? Bye-bye, guys.